Hi guys, welcome back and let's go and check the West Side new summer collection. Firstly, they had full mocha collection for tops, dresses and this cord set which was so lightweight and summer appropriate. They also had this evergreen full cut dress and lot of other neutral tops and dresses. This cotton silk cord set had my heart. If you like denim, then this dress would be perfect for your casual outings. They also had crochet collection beach shirt which you can pair with a similar skirt for your beachy vacations. This dress was literally screaming summer and you can't miss this white dress which was so chic and elegant. They also had a lot of collection on crop tops, black, browns, multiple colors which you can pair with this cargo pants. In denims they had normal pants and they also had these lightweight cargo pants. They also had a huge collection of flats which was very certainly colorful and will go with all your Indian and Western outfits. They also had these bellies and huge collection of wedges. I personally tried these beautiful sandals which was very similar to the Birkenstock style but they were absolutely comfortable. Oh my god, Westside has this time killed it with their jewelry collection. They have Indian wear, they have Western wear, they have boho, they have every sort of jewelry you can think of, so do check it out. They also had this beautiful colorful vanity bags. In perfumes, they have launched 6 different summer shades in notes of floral, aqua and fruity. They also have very reasonable lipstick collection starting at just rupees 3.99. In neon collection, they have variety of nail paints, eyeliners, body mist, body care, lip gloss and these metallic eyeshadows. In perfume, they have launched their signature collection and I personally like this shade Horizon which was very fruity and fresh. In bags, they had a huge collection of tote bags in multiple colors, some shoulder bags, funky bags in multiple options, but I personally like this red bag. My eyes then caught these dupe of Charles & Keith's tote bags which were equally good material and very comfortable on the shoulder. Also had this black bag which will go with your Indian outfits and jute bags and I personally like this black bag. Entering into the home essentials sections, they have these beautiful flowers and lots of plants for your indoor decoration. They also have a huge variety of other home decor items like statues, votives, candle lighting votives and more gold embellished plants and a vase. In home essentials, they have this amazing cutlery, coffee, tea and biscuit container in this trending sage green color. This oil pourer for my home was very small but very cute. Guys, look at these multiple color wine and mocktail glasses. They are so cute and aesthetic and they are very durable as well. And this laundry basket is a must-have for every home. As you can see, the store was about to close, but I was still running around to see more stuff and grab some more. And I tried this monochrome set. Opposite to this, there was these beautiful dresses and I had no plans to buy any ethnic wear, but I must say that their ethnic collection was also top notch and I will definitely pick up something online. By the end of the day, my shopping Kida was completely maxed out. You can see the happiness on my face. So do subscribe to my channel for a dedicated haul video.